are pleased to show you the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, front-wheel drive, rear defrost. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.